Hi everyone, and welcome to the Olympic Game Analytics project in Apache Spark for beginners. I'm really excited to have you here because this course is not just about learning Spark. It's about exploring real Olympic data, understanding patterns, and creating stunning insight using Apache Spark, Spark SQL, and Apache Zeppelin. If you have ever wanted to see how data engineer and analytics come together in real world project, this is the perfect place to start. Every 4 year, the Olympic game unites the world together through competition, stories, and data. Behind every medal, every athletes and every record, their data waiting to be analyzed. And that's what we will do in this course. Turn raw Olympic data into powerful interactive insight using Spark. This course will help you move from theory to hands on practice, building a complete analytics project step by step. This course is perfect for beginners who wanted to learn Apache Spark and Zeppelin, data engineer and analyst looking for hands-on project, student preparing for Spark interview on real-world analytics. No prior Spark experience is required. We will guide you from installation to visualization. Here's what makes the course special. It's 100% project based. You won't just watch code, you will build your own Olympic analytics dashboard step by step using real world data, queries, and real insight. By the end of this course, you will have a portfolio ready project to showcase your skills in Spark, SQL, and big data analytics. This is not a theory course. This is a real engineering experience built for beginners who want results. Learn, build, analyze, and visualize. Here's what we will cover in this course: Introduction and Dataset Overview. Understand the Olympic data, its attributes, and metadata. Environmental setup. Installing Java, Docker, Apache Zeppelin, Spark, and connect to Spark Interpreter. Zeppelin Basics. Learn how to write code, visualize result, and explore data. Working with Spark. Load, transform, and query Olympic data set using Spark SQL. Data analytics. Run real queries to analyze medal count, athlete performance, and country trends. Visualization and insights. Create interactive charts and dashboard. Each section includes hands-on demonstration. No fluffy, just practical learning. Enroll now and join thousands of learners who are mastering Apache Spark and building amazing data project. If you are serious about becoming a data engineer or analyst, this course is one of the best investment. The Olympic have always been about excellent performance and data driven result. And in this course, you will embody the same spirit through analytics. By the end, you will be confident using Apache Spark to process and analyze large data set, uncover hidden patterns, and create professional dashboard. So get ready to dive in, explore data like never before, and let's begin your journey by becoming a Spark powered data analyst. Let's get started with our first lesson: what you will learn.